Hi, this is Jamie with Focus Real Estate, and welcome to 1789 Center Street, Unit 303. This 2-bed, 2-bath condo in West Roxbury has everything and is move-in ready for its next owners. There are mini splits in every room for your comfort throughout every season, as well as built-in shutters in the living room for your comfort and privacy. With ample closet space, an ensuite primary bath, in-unit laundry, storage just down the hall, and a garage parking space, what more could you ask for? This condo is ready for you to call it home. With easy access to Boston and shops and restaurants quite literally just up the street, this condo is in a perfect location. And for a little pizzazz at the end of your day, come up to the common roof deck, have a party, enjoy the rest of your evening, but most of all, welcome home.